Hi, I'm Jamison Hill. I'm the production director at Mercy Hill Church in Greensboro, North Carolina. Thanks for checking out the Mercy Hill Production YouTube page. At Mercy Hill Church, our mission is to make disciples and multiply churches. That making disciples piece is very important to me. Discipleship is simply training and learning and equipping. And so here on our Mercy Hill Production YouTube channel, the goal is for training. We want to equip those of you who want to go into the ministry or even just support a ministry in the production area. We cover topics like how to use ProPresenter. We have lighting, sound, even planning center topics that might cover various ways of keeping the services aligned. I try to cover all of those things here in the channel. Everything has been laid out into playlists, so check out our playlist to find the content. If you're looking for content that you don't see in there, please let me know. You can send me an email using the address on our homepage, or you can leave a comment on any of the videos. If you like what you see, please subscribe. That way you can be notified when new content is posted. My goal is to post regular content, so you should see something fresh here quite often. Also, please connect. Connecting is as simple as dropping a comment on a video. I'd love to hear what you have to say and try to cater some of the information to what you might need most. Thank you again for checking out the channel.